Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on Lenovo Yoga Tab Smart. So when I have a problem with my headphones or another Bluetooth gadget, I'm always starting from the simplest way. Just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your tablet. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes this really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated Pair mode, and how to activate Pair mode you will find in the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your tablet. You have to open the settings, swipe down to the system and choose the reset options. Choose LAN and Bluetooth and tap on the reset settings button, configure pattern or the code and tap on this button again. After that, look again for the Bluetooth device on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update the system, so go to the systems section in the settings and tap on the system update. If you have any updates, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your tablet on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.